Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple layers by just using one single PNG image. Now I got this image here of this cute Hello Kitty from Google, and I'm just going to be showing you, since this is just a tutorial purposes and for my personal use, I just want to show you how I created this file. So I purchased a really cute lunch box for Faith, and I wanted to just personalize it, and I thought this would be a really cute design to put on her lunch box. But I wanted to be able to add multiple layers of the vinyl to my design, and this is how I created this multiple layers. So in Google, I went ahead and searched for an outline of the Hello Kitty, a PNG version. And normally I would look for a high definition version of the PNG file, but since I'm just going to cut the file, I just went with the black and white outline, and I was able to find a version of the file with color, so I could use that as a reference guide. So I saved the file onto my desktop and uploaded the file into Cricut Design Space, and I uploaded the cut version of the file. The good thing about using a file like this, you can actually change it up to a look that you would like. And since the color version here has 5 different colors, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the design 5 times so I can separate each of these duplicated designs. So I'm going to start off first with the actual base of the Hello Kitty. I want that to be just completely white and cut it out of white vinyl. And using my contour tool is going to be the key on allowing me to separate each design to the color that I would like. Now I'm working on the little bow and the top portion of her shirt. I'm going to make that pink, and I'm going to continue to do that so I separate each of the design and color coordinate each section. So I continued that process until I separated all the pieces of the design that I want different colors, and now I'm ready to go ahead and send this to the mat to cut. And I'm going to be using the vinyl cutting and some vinyl that I have in my craft room. Now I went ahead and I created a design, and I'm going to go ahead and clean off the top of the lunchbox with some alcohol, and I'm going to go ahead and place this little sticker that I made using some waterproof sticker paper. I'll have the link in the description box below. And now here's the fun part. I'm going to go ahead and layer each individual pieces, and by creating that multiple layers in Cricut Design Space, it allowed me to personalize my design, and I was able to use the colors that I have available in my craft room. The lunchbox came out so adorable. Faith loves it, and it's a great way to practice with multiple layers. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot, and we cannot wait to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!